You think it's stuck?
It's stuck in the grass.
Well, that's all right, buddy. Here, let Daddy try to help you. Oh boy, look at that fish. Here you go. Reel him in the rest of the way. Look at that fishy.
Hey, there, I caught a fish. I did not catch a fish.
No, Elijah caught one.
No, he said.
Bring it over here.
Bring it over here, dude. That's cool. That is so deep. Let me see him. Here, bring it closer. Ooh. You want to eat that worm? That's a neat one. Don't get him stuck in the grass again. Put him in the cooler with braces.
Elijah's first fish for the year.